this video, we'll show you how to assemble your bike in a few quick and easy steps. This build works with rim and disc and gravel and road bikes. When opening the box, you'll notice that your bike has been neatly packed for shipping. Start off by removing the saddle and wheel. In the box, you'll receive a small parts bag and box. In the bag, you'll have some rubber grommets for Di2, a confirmation letter, and if you have a rim bike, you'll have a front quick release skewer. Next, place your fork over the end of the box. This will be used as a bike stand. We will then install the saddle. When installing the Di2 cable, make sure to use the Di2 tool, located in your small parts bag. The seat post will have a battery protector. Make sure to pull this out before attaching the wire. When installing the Di2 wire, there will be an audible click when it is fully attached. Make sure the wire is free and clear when sliding the seat post in. Once you have found your desired height, torque it down to 6 to 8 Newton meters. Notice the wheel protectors and make sure to not pull out the hub end caps. If you have a rim bike, locate your front quick release skewer and thread off the nut and pull off the spring. Then install the skewer into the hub and attach the spring followed by the nut. Next, we'll install the front wheel. Make sure to open the front brake if it is a rim bike. Then place the fork dropouts over the quick release skewer and tighten it down. Then remember to close the front brake. If you have a disc bike, line up the disc brake with the disc caliper and thread the front through axle using a 6mm hex wrench. Next, we'll remove all excess packing from the bike. Before we get to riding, make sure all bolts are tightened and check your tire pressure. Once you've double checked your bike, you are ready to ride.